The Curse of Oak Island. Huge discovery proves gold is near Season 12. The 12th season of The Curse of Oak Island arrived with a surge of enthusiasm, breakthroughs, and intriguing hints, culminating in a finding that reignited the team's optimism about finally uncovering the elusive treasure that has enthralled generations. The show, which documents the Lagina brothers and their dedicated team as they investigate Oak Island's mysteries, has consistently featured incremental discoveries hinting at a more extensive story buried below the surface. However, this season delivered a transformative revelation, irrefutable evidence suggesting the existence of gold in the island's subterranean layers. For the team, this was more than just a discovery. It represented validation of years of labor, scientific inquiry, and steadfast belief in the Oak Island legend. A breakthrough in the money pit. The evidence pointing toward the presence of gold emerged during an excavation in the Money Pit, the renowned site believed to conceal the island's most significant secrets. For centuries, treasure hunters have sought to unravel the Money Pit's mysteries. Initially discovered in 1795, when a ground depression led to the uncovering of wooden platforms and a network of seemingly intentional tunnels. Over time, the pit has been excavated countless times, each effort yielding fascinating yet inconclusive findings. From ancient artifacts and ship remnants to cryptic symbols, the pit has suggested a more extensive narrative without fully unveiling its secrets until now. This season, the team utilized state-of-the-art technology and advanced drilling techniques to probe deeper into the money pit than ever before. By employing sonar imaging, ground-penetrating radar GPR, and chemical analysis of water samples, they identified anomalies in the pit that indicated the presence of valuable metals. Early in the season, a test detected elevated gold levels in the groundwater, a discovery that was neither natural nor coincidental. This breakthrough laid the groundwork for further examination, culminating in physical evidence of gold being not only present, but also within reach. The discovery, evidence of gold. Excitement soared as the team conducted on-site analysis of the material. Initial tests confirmed the presence of gold, and further lab analysis determined the fragment's purity and composition to be consistent with historic treasures. This discovery marked a watershed moment, offering the first tangible evidence that the treasure long thought to be on Oak Island might finally be uncovered. The implications were profound. For decades, skeptics had dismissed the Oak Island treasure as either mythical or a series of misinterpreted coincidences. The discovery of gold fragments not only validated the team's efforts, but also strengthened the notion that the money pit had been deliberately engineered to conceal something of extraordinary value. Theories about the gold's origin. As the team celebrated the discovery, they turned their attention to decoding the mystery of the gold's origin. Various theories have been proposed over the years regarding who may have hidden treasure on Oak Island, and for what purpose. The gold fragments reignited discussions about these theories, allowing the team to revisit them with fresh perspectives. One of the most widely held theories connects the treasure to the Knights Templar, a medieval order of warrior monks rumored to have hidden their immense wealth and sacred relics after facing persecution in the 14th century. Supporters of this theory point to the island's cryptic symbols, stone carvings, and the Templar-style cross as evidence of their influence. The purity and potential age of the gold fragments seemed consistent with artifacts from the Templar era, lending credibility to this hypothesis. Another theory attributes the gold to pirate hordes, particularly those linked to infamous figures like Captain Kidd or Blackbeard. Oak Island's location along historical shipping routes made it an ideal hiding spot for pirates seeking to stash their treasures. The gold fragments could represent a portion of a more extensive collection of coins, jewelry, or other valuables buried by seafarers. A third possibility ties the gold to Spanish explorers or privateers active in the Americas during the 16th and 17th centuries. Spanish galleons carried enormous quantities of gold and silver from the New World to Europe, with some lost to shipwrecks or hidden caches. If the fragments originated from such a source, they might represent remnants of a treasure deliberately transported to Oak Island for safekeeping. The Garden Shaft's role in the mystery. The discovery of gold fragments within the garden shaft prompted an in-depth re-examination of this area and its significance. Originally explored in the 19th century, the shaft had been largely dismissed as a peripheral feature of the Money Pit. However, the team's findings suggested it might hold a more central role in Oak Island's treasure mystery. Further excavation around the garden shaft revealed additional signs of human activity, such as wooden beams and stone formations that appeared to be part of an engineered structure. The discovery of gold fragments in this location led the team to hypothesize that the shaft could be part of an elaborate diversion or concealment system designed to mislead treasure seekers. If the shaft served as a decoy, its construction reflected an impressive level of planning and ingenuity, underscoring the importance of what was being hidden, advanced technology, and its role. Season 12 was notable for its reliance on advanced technology to uncover and analyze evidence. The discovery of gold fragments was made possible through tools and methodologies that allowed the team to investigate previously inaccessible or overlooked areas. From chemical water analysis to high-resolution underground imaging, technology provided crucial insights that guided their progress. For example, the use of muon tomography, a method for detecting density variations underground, identified voids and structures within the Money Pit that had never been mapped before. This information helped the team target promising excavation sites, ultimately leading to the discovery of gold fragments. Similarly, advances in materials science enabled precise analysis of the fragments, confirming their composition and historical significance. Impact on the team. The discovery of gold fragments deeply affected the team, both emotionally and strategically. For Rick and Marty Lagina, who have dedicated years to solving the Oak Island mystery, the finding represented a moment of triumph and validation. It was not just a significant breakthrough, but also a testament to their perseverance and commitment. The discovery also reinvigorated the team, sparking renewed energy and focus as they continued their investigations. For many, the gold fragments symbolized more than progress. They embodied the possibility of unlocking Oak Island's full array of secrets, fan reactions, and speculations. The news of the discovery electrified the show's fanbase, fueling widespread excitement and conjecture. Social media, forums, and fan discussions buzzed with analyses of the gold fragments and their implications. Many fans viewed this discovery as a pivotal moment, bringing the team closer than ever to solving Oak Island's enduring mystery. Speculation about what might be uncovered next ranged from theories about a vast treasure hoard to connections with significant historical events or figures. Regardless of the specifics, the find reignited hope and anticipation for what future seasons might unveil. Looking ahead, what's next for Oak Island? As Season 12 concluded, the discovery of gold fragments laid the foundation for the next chapter in the Oak Island saga. The team planned to continue exploring the garden shaft and its surroundings, using their findings as a guide for future digs. The evidence of gold in the Money Pit was an enticing clue, but it also raised new questions about the scope and nature of the treasure beneath the island. For Rick, Marty, and their team, the journey remains unfinished. While the discovery of gold fragments marks a critical milestone, it also highlights the challenges and mysteries still to be unraveled. The team remains steadfast in their belief that Oak Island has more to reveal, secrets capable of reshaping history and redefining the understanding of its enigmatic past. Ultimately, the discovery of gold fragments represents more than just a find. It is a tribute to determination, teamwork, and the enduring fascination with the Oak Island legend. For fans of The Curse of Oak Island, Season 12 stood as a landmark, proving that the quest is far from futile and that answers to one of history's greatest enigmas might soon be uncovered.